Hi everybody and welcome back to Love What You Eat. On today's episode we are making
mozzarella in carrozza.
So we will show you how to do it. My mother will explain exactly what you need in the process.
Okay, you will need bread, sliced mozzarella, flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs.
And what we have left over is obviously the crusts. So
I never throw this away. I already have some bread over here. So I put it in a brown paper bag. Wait till it's all dried up. And I blend it in a food processor. And then I add it on with the Italian bread crust. So don't waste anything. This is a recipe that my mother-in-law taught me also. She used to do it before. It's better with day-old bread. If you have day-old bread, it's much better, much more tastier. And it's up to you. It's a personal choice if you want to trim the crust around
or leave it.
Or leave it. Exactly, exactly. So we're using pagnotta. Some people use toast. We have pagnotta. We like our Italian bread. So very simple. This is like an Italian version of a grilled cheese.
Yeah.
You take your bread, just put your slices of mozzarella.
And trim if ever there's excess out, because we don't want that oozing out when we do pan fry this later. So if there's a little bit sticking out, just use a knife and just trim it off.
There you go. You can prepare your pieces also in advance.
So now she's pressing it down.
On both sides.
Yeah, on both sides.
I'll show you just the egg wash first. In the flour.
You'll see that if ever you lose your cheese, just slip it back in.
It happens.
Slippery little sucker.
Slippery little sucker.
But you want to dip it in on all the sides. So as you see, she's picking it up and she's moving around all the sides because you want to build that nice crust when you are pan frying it after. So just make sure you get the flour on both sides and around the edges as well.
And shake off a little bit of the excess if you have too much flour.
And now she's going to go ahead and dip it in the eggs that we've beaten and just added a little bit of salt and pepper. Yeah. Not too much salt because the mozzarella is already salty.
That's correct.
But just adding a little bit of extra flavor. And as you see again, on both sides, picking it up and all around.
All around, all the trims. There you go.
And she'll go ahead and lay it on the tray. So this is the more traditional way?
This is the traditional one, but now people are changing. I mean, you could also, after you dip it in the egg wash, you could dip it in a little bit of breadcrumbs and gives it more of a crunchier taste. Yeah. Personal choice.
So we're gonna show you that method too. So it's exactly the same thing, process. 2 slices of bread.
I have 2 little ones here.
The kids will love this, that's for sure in a way. So you wanna keep everything neat and tucked in. She's gonna go ahead and press both sides. And then she will do the triple dunk. So we're gonna run it through the flour, the eggs, and the breadcrumbs on both sides and all around to get a nice even crust. And then what do we do with this next?
We put it in the fridge for half an hour, like that the egg will settle. And
then we'll be pan frying this after?
Yes, we'll be pan frying, yes.
Perfect.
Very important to do all around, even the sides.
You want to get that good crust all around. And also just, it's a way to secure the cheese from staying within. These are fun little sandwiches, as mentioned, that the kids will love too.
There we go.
There you go. So these are ready to chill in the fridge for half an hour before pan frying them. See you guys soon.
See you in 30 minutes.
See you soon. Okay. So you saw how simple and easy this was to make. My mother did some traditionally just dipped in egg, and then for a little added crunch, we put some with some breadcrumbs. This makes for a quick and easy meal, fun after school snack that the kids will surely enjoy, and it's best to enjoy and eat.
Best served warm.
Warm. So from our kitchen to yours, we hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Continue to tune in for more weekly videos and continue to
love what you eat.
See you on the next episode.
Bye for now.
Ciao. 1, 2, 3.
From our hearts to yours.
From our hearts. From our hearts to our. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so what are we gonna do?
Best to eat warm. So you saw how simple, so you can be like, so you saw how simple that is. You can make them plain with just the egg or breaded. Very quick and easy to make after school snack. Kids will love this.
Best to eat
Best
warm.
to eat warm.
From our house to yours.
There you go. Okay, you take it.
That was too long.
Rewind. You surely love this. And from our house to yours. Take it away.
So you saw how simple this recipe is. Okay. A nutritious snack, you can feed it to the kids anytime, to adults, and it's best to eat warm. So from our house to yours,
continue to
love what you eat. Bye for now.
Ciao. You can feed it to the kids, you can feed it to adults. We're gonna do one more time. I let you go. You can feed it to the animals.
I'm not gonna feed it to the kids. Okay.
No, it's a good after. It's an easy after school snack.
No,
that's a fun thing to say. You can feed it to the adults, to your husband, to the old folks.
I don't know teeth. They dip it in what?
To the stray cat. You can feed it to the stray animals.
And a little bit of breadcrumb to give it a little bit of an extra crunch. Oh, I almost had it.
An extra crunch. We can do it. We need more bloopers today. Here they are.
No.
Here they are.
That's really a lot. Just put one or two. That's it.
Kiko.
Okay.